Alright, here we go. Quick tutorial on how to do subscriber mode only. You'll have to forget my slow computer. Anyways, you set up your stream first, so it's ready to go. Gonna go up here to create. Gonna go to go live. This computer is very old, so forgive me on that. Now y'all know why I don't use it. So it's going to bring you into the studio. And you're going to go over here. You're going to see manage right over here on the left side. Click manage. That's going to bring up your streams. I have one right here created already. So I'm going to click on that link right here. It's going to bring that one up. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click edit. Now I can edit my title and all that jazz here. The time. That's not what we're looking for. We're going to go to customization. And under customization right here, you got subscribers only. It says participant mode. Who can send messages? Go to subscriber only. Highlight that. Then you can do 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, blah, blah, blah. That's your presets that are already in there. Or you can customize it. So you click custom. Then down here, you can pick a number. So say you want to make this a week in advance. That's the only time people can chat is if they've been subscribed for a week. I would pick 7. And over here you have your units. You can pick minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, even years. So I want a week, so I'm going to say 7 days. Say you got a big giveaway coming up. You don't want people popping in your chat that day just for the giveaway. But you want to announce it ahead of time so all your people will come in. Do 7 days. And then maybe 3 days later, start promoting your giveaway. So anybody who joins during those 3 days or on that day just for a giveaway, they ain't going to be able to participate. Go over here, click save. Once you click that save, it's going to tell you that the changes were saved. It shows right over here, Mike's Fishing Home, turned on subscribers only mode. Only channel subscribers of 7 days or longer can send messages. You are all good to go. Once you go live, all of that will take effect. It's that simple. Even on this slow computer, that only takes a couple minutes. On a fast computer, you're going to be done in like 30 seconds. Hopefully that helps.